Sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when magma, or molten rocks, has cooled down and solidified. 2. Igneous rocks are commonly found inside the Earth's crust or mantle. 3. Igneous rocks can be an important source of minerals. 4. Examples of igneous rocks include granite and basalt. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the accumulation of other eroded substances. 2. Sedimentary rocks are usually found in water bodies, sea, oceans, etc. 3. Sedimentary rocks, or their bedding structure, are mostly used in civil engineering, for the construction of housing, roads, tunnels, canals, etc. 4. Examples of sedimentary rocks include shale, limestone, and sandstone.